Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will be walking you through my solution for two Excel projects for my MBIS4001 information system applications in business course. Project 1, maximize profit, and project 2, adequate acquisition. So I created an Excel file here and attached my YouTube video link here. So let's talk about the first project, maximize the profit. Which focuses on maximizing profit for a wholesale book distributor called Books. The owner BKK needs to figure out the most profitable way to pack a single box of the books. So in this part we will calculate and narrate the problem and constraints. So the goal here is to select combination of books that result highest possible profit for a single box. We have a list of 6 books with their respective weights, cost, and sale prices. The key is to follow the rule. We must pack 20 books or fewer. Select from their different authors, including between 4 and 8 books from each of those authors, and keep £50 or less. Demonstrate your solution in Excel. So to find the best profit per books for each title is the formula sold price minus cost. For example, for Harry Potter's is 70 minus 9, which gives us a profit of 8 per books. That's how we can calculate the profit maximization. Let's talk about the next project, adequate acquisition. Now let's move on to project 2. In this scenario, xmarks.com, in considering acquiring Good Grow, a company that are currently losing money. Our task is to determine how many years it will take Good Grow to become profitable under different growth rate scenarios. Explain the setup in Excel. I used to a spreadsheet template provided for this project. The template allow us to calculate the break-even point for 3 scenarios: worst case, expected case, best case. The current revenue Good Grow is 100 million and the expenses are 150 million. The company has currently a revenue growth rate is 35% and expense growth rate is 10%. We need to test revenue growth between 20% and 60% expense with 10 and 30%. The core calculation is simply yearly projection for the year. New revenue is previous year's revenue multiplied by 1 revenue growth rate. Similarly, the new expenses is previous year's expenses multiplied by 1 plus expense growth rate. So the company's expected total profit is expected revenue minus expected expenses. So the worst case for the scenario, we use the lowest revenue growth rate and the highest expense growth rate, which are 20% and 30% respectively. As we can see, the time of break even. So for the best case, the final scenario would be highest revenue growth rate is 60% and the lowest expense growth rate is 10%. The break-even point is faster, occurring in these last 3 years. So in conclusion, we can say by breaking down the constraints and using clear formulas, we are able to determine the optimal way to pack a box for maximize profit and project the final future of a potential business. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and share.